Hey, it's Anissa. I've just upgraded to the Bright Shield Solar Light, and I'm telling you, you're gonna want to also. It is both powerful and bright. It's up to 1,800 lumens at full power. It's solar powered with an efficient solar panel. So even in an overcast day, it's gonna be able to store the energy to light at night. It gathers its energy from the sun, and at dusk, it automatically turns on. You are gonna love this light. It features smart motion and light detection. It has 3 modes of operation. Mode 1 is called high, and that's because it turns on to the full 1,800 lumens, but it only does that if it senses motion and it's dark. When you push the button a second time, it goes into low-high mode, and that is one of my favorite ones, and I think most people will use that. It stays in low light all night, and when it senses motion, it kicks up to the full 1,800 lumens. After 20 seconds, it shuts down to low mode. Mode 3 is medium, which means when you push the button a third time, it stays in medium light all night. This is the ultimate light for security. For you, it's safety because it illuminates the areas you're in, and it does startle would-be intruders. Now you can place these all over. I like to place them up along the posts in my patio, but you can place it near your entryway, by the garage. Just place it in a sunny area. It's weatherproof, so it'll work through snow and rain, and installation couldn't be any easier. We've got 2 ways to mount it. You could have the peel and stick, which is double-sided tape, but maybe you want to mount it, so it comes with the mounting hardware. You're gonna love this light, so think about all the places you can use them and buy them at the same time. You'll save even more money. So head on over to PulseTV and grab a bunch today.